October 1st, and we have Battaglia green here.
I want to eat.
Okay, wait. I know. Be patient, please. Let me explain. So it has a really nice. Wait, this is called the eye right here. Tight eye, so it won't split from the rain. No, you can have that one if you like. So it's very. It looks like a verte, green-eyed chia, Adriatic Type. But we'll see how it does. It does have a thick but smooth skin right here. Oh my goodness. So it's a mild acid. Not as jammy and large size as a white Adriatic, but should be a earlier ripening. I have a Adriatic JH, which seems to ripen the same time. So I'm not so sure if one is earlier than another. But this leaf here, this is rust. We've been having heavy rain here in the Pacific Northwest. So this is typical during this season. And we'll see you next time.